Hi, and welcome to another episode of Shedlock Customs Playing with Motorbikes. In this series of videos we're going to be working on my 1939 Rudge, and in another video I'm going to show you, we're going to show how we extracted the bearings from the frame. So you've got very little access between the frame and the bearing. There's not a key cut out of the frame so that you can get a drift in or anything, so we've had to buy a special blind bearing extracting tool to do that. So we'll show you how to do that. But in replacing the bearings, the original bearings were like a push bike in as much as they've got a race with separate balls running around in them. So here's one of the original races that we've taken out, which to be honest looked really perfect, but there was a new head race bearing on the market from a company called Red Hand, and I wanted to try that, and I contacted them, spoke to Alex, or messaged Alex, and managed to negotiate a little bit of a deal with the bearings, with the idea that I would do an unboxing video and show you what it was like to fit them and hopefully to use them later on. So this is the video which we'll start with. So I'll turn you around and we'll show you how we unrun the box. So nicely packaged. Make sure I don't cut the fingers off. So that looks really nice. So obviously you've got to grease those up. So there should be two of those. This one's got some slots so that you can adjust it, and this one's got a thread inside which will screw onto the steering spindle. Again, new race. So old technology, new technology. Hopefully these are going to be lovely. So fits through as an adjuster, so perfect. Very nice. So I'm very pleased with that, and big thanks to Alex from Red Hand. I'll put their links to all of their information in the post. And then like a technical drawing that shows you how you go about installing it. Very good, very professional, very pleased with that. Okay, do you want to hold it in there?
Yeah. That's probably enough. Yeah.
So I'm using my finger on it. And moving, or is that my imagination? It feels like it's moving to me.
Yeah.
The sound's changed.
Yeah, yeah.
Come in.
No, I don't think it is.
Be careful of this.
But you better take that bearing off.
Hey! Beer here! Come on, Daddy.
Look at this. How close that is. Still, well done.
That feels like it's
Yeah.
success. Finally.
That's going to be about it, I reckon. Whoa, easy does it. Easy tiger.
So we've got the new bearing, copper hammer, so we hopefully won't damage it too much. We'll see if we can get it started. The gentle tap. The old ones. See if we can get it to seat all the way down the bottom. And see if we can not hit my fingers. And that is one down. Okay, yeah.
In.
So same again, new bearing.
Okay.
And a copper rawhide. Just see. think we're going to get that stuck in there, to be honest.
Oh, it needs to be a smaller diameter. Pin punch.
Just need to get that back out again.
Stop.
Yeah. Right, and there they are fitted. Well, there's the bottom one fitted. As you can see here, that's the hole for the grease nipple, so we can fill them up with grease, although they get greased anyway as they get assembled and put together. You've got a grease nipple as well, like you would have on most of the old vintage motorbikes of this time. And there's the new, this is the bottom bearing. So it came with the actual ball race assembled onto the assembly.
Carrier, yeah.
Obviously not greased up yet, but that's really nice. Never had the original bearing set, only ever had the outer bearings fitted to the bike, so I don't know what this would have looked like, but we've got a chamfered clearance here which will line up with the steering tube. Yeah, very happy.